Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair guys. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150 between year 2009 and year 2014 guys. If you have that generation, you need to find guys where the fuse for the ABS and traction control is located guys. Stay with us, we're going to explain that in this video specifically today. You have multiple fuses, make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain why it's important to test fuses and where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So we'll recommend guys, okay, to always check your manual, but we'll be demonstrating on a 2012 Ford F-150. If you have one that generation, different year, it may work as well. We're going to open the fuse box that's located right under the hood. When you open the hood on your Ford F-150, you lift it up, right above the radiator you have a fuse box, and when you open it, you will guys face it that way. You have the relays, fuses. Now before we explain which fuses you need to check for ABS and traction control module, let's explain guys why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the first fuse that we'll need to check, if you need to buy guys any of these specific fuses and relays, they could be really expensive at the parts store. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, so please check it out. The first fuse guys, okay, that we'll need to check is known as fuse number 36. We're talking about a 30 fuse in our case. This is the second row of fuses, the one on the very right next to that relay, right here. That's the one that we're guys talking about. Now there is another one that we need to check as well, and I'm talking about fuse number 47. That will be that fuse right here, okay, that 60 fuse in our case, that here. So this, and after that we will guys have one more. If you come in that fuse row right here, from left to right, you have 3 fuses. That third fuse is known as fuse number 54. Check that one as well, that's for the ABS and traction control. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.